Something today I would like to discuss around how are we actually when importing some standard contents, how these updates are actually taken care from the back end by SAP. So actually, it's a very realistic example because recently I imported one of the standard adapter. So Google PubSub adapter. This is what I actually imported around 1 month ago. So it's a standard content and the artifact is an indication adapter. So now if you see here, this is the version, the current version, it's 1.2.1 and it is published on 21st of April. And now this is my existing tenant. And in this tenant, if you see here, this particular package is already imported and it's having version 1.2.0. So now there is a option of you will be seeing over here hyperlink update available. Okay, so this actually just giving an indication that there is an update. So I will just click on update package. Do you want to update this content package now? Yes, I want to update it. So I'm just selecting. The current version is 1.2.0. I mean, the one which we imported previously. So now it's getting updated. So one update applied successfully artifact. Now you can see that the version is available 1.2.1. So this is how we have to do an update. And now if I go back to the package, I will not able to see Google Pubs. Now there is no update available. That hyperlink is available over here. So now it is already updated to 1.2.1. So I hope this has given you some clarity how to do an update of the standard contents. Thanks for watching.